The candidates of the newly constituted political party in Meghalaya, Kakkam, that include Angela Ryngad from South Shillong, Wanpynhun Kharsyntiew from East Shillong, and Kyrsoibor Pyrtuh from North Shillong, had filed their nominations today, the 2nd of February 2023. They were accompanied by family members and supporters. Also on the same day, the UDP candidate from Mawryngkneng, Dr. O S Jyrwa, had also filed his nomination at the Deputy Commissioner's office in East Khasi Hills, where he was accompanied by his supporters.
I, Wanpynhun Kharsyntiew, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God and solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Kumba pitip mo kajala berakawai hi kalaban kajingduk. 39% of our population is below the poverty line. Life okundai percent. Life okundai nak sispa ki long yeng brio ki don hapo ulan jok ta kajingduk. Ti kumcu ha South Shillong ru. Kum kita ki badang yasa ki badang hak yasa ki don ki bun. But dia nak kata kadau kan ba kajing yeng jongi kalong persya ya kan ka bamsap kajing le bean nang bengin la ban rat ding khong ya ka jingduk bat ban la ban wan lam ka roi ka par ka badon jingmut ya ba kong penmut
ka bangi mi khmat banyela ikene election na khatlai Mawryngkneng constituency mi ka kajing angnut ban ra lem kata kajing kelah ka constituency bagi ra ya kata ka jingmentoi ka banyo bentalang bolok kinong song snong ka constituency kasi ya kajing sekri kabau sitting am leu la lek kata ka song baik haka jinglong brio jongi idon la kajong jong kom perhat idon la kajong jong kom trekam ese i tiba hi bisa lada kihun yang kata kajing sekri ya kajing trekam jong nyuk sitting am le brio kin ajang yu kajing sar par lada tipat bah hi kim ihun so ingat skam bangi idon la kajong kinong rem idon la kajong kimat ni is mat tipat bah bat ngangat skam bah tipat bah kin bisa kaki bet yang kata kajinglong tung ni balada setting mali ken ajang itu lada kimi bet so ngingat skamba kipat ba ken ai kajing kersan ni minta kasen banginyo menpoi sakatong ning ba kajing kersan lang jing kipat ba bobon balang ba ngat skam ro ba katin jongi minta kasen kolong baklan ba nya don haduk ba sau san mut ki supporters jongi ki bahmat tam ki bala julong ten ki candidate support ka napoka khalai Mawryngkneng constituency midon ba Krishna Kharsyntiew balai laju leteng ya ka MDC ho arjar katundai ni don bani ba Ronald Karumno du balong ni candidate MDC belele arjar katundai ni don iba Norbert Marbo ibla mi banyele ya ka ibla jile ya ka by election ho arata arpo nang ni nak lai Mawryngkneng constituency ni don iba kan sai kharu ibla long teng i candidate naka MDC arjar katundai ni don basi iba mukti du ibla julong teng i candidate ba ile arjar katlai senamle tengi ngilong ki kebun baklan kebun nengi hi gede ki figures hi ki balak ju bapau ba konstitusi ni ya trace tom bat ki ringkat bagajing kersan tempat ba bat kajing be kle di parti UDP khamtam ya ka ai ke bangi ni dan kajing temu ban sakri pat ba bat ya ka ai bangil asakri hantai borok ki ni ki snam ki balalino ni skam bangin yo kajing kersan ke barat ba ni pat ba jong ka konstitusi menta ka snam bat ngi yo kajing jok bron haka arter jong hadar o match arjar artulai bat penlong hi kajing kenan ya konstitusi